Have you ever had a bluegill po' boy? Let me show you how to make one. A bluegill might be one of the most underrated fish out there. Everyone just fries it whole. Today we're going to be changing up. We're going to do this Louisiana style po' boy with these bluegills. It's light, crunchy, airy, super simple, loaded with a lot of Cajun flavors. Let me show you how to do them. Here's a short clip of us out fishing for these bluegills. If you want to check out the full video, I'll have a link right there. It'll also be down in the description. Don't forget to check out all of our other full hunting and fishing videos. Let's get into this recipe. For our remoulade sauce, this is going to be a mayonnaise based. We're going in with some Dijon mustard, some sweet pickled relish. That's going to give us sweet and tang. We're going to hit it with a little bit of Cajun spice, hot sauce, and fresh garlic to give it a kick. We're going to mix all this up. We're going to set it aside as we work on the rest of our ingredients and let the remoulade come together. For the breading, we're going pretty simple here. We're going flour and cornmeal. The flour is going to help it hold it all together, while the cornmeal adds that nice southern little crunch to it. We're going to season this up with some Cajun seasoning. That's going to be the main character of the flavor of the breading. But we're going to back it up with a little bit of paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, salt and pepper. We're going to get this mixed up and set this aside as well. We have our bluegills filleted, cleaned, skinless, and patted dry. We're going to soak them in buttermilk for just about a minute or two. Then we're going to go into our breading. We're going to let this sit on a wire rack with the breading for about 3 to 5 minutes to let that breading adhere. Now it's time to fry them. We're going to put these in our hot oil that's 350 degrees. When it comes to oil, you can use whatever you want. I prefer a beef tallow or a peanut oil. I think it gives a little bit better flavor. We're going to fry these for about 2 to 3 minutes. We do not want to over fry them because bluegill is a very light, delicate, mild, and sweet fish, so we don't want to overcook it. We're going to cook these for just a couple minutes. We're going to pull them out and let them dry on a rack. And we're going to start assembling our sandwiches. Our bluegill is perfectly fried. It's golden brown. It's crispy. Let's assemble a po' boy. For this, we're going to add in a healthy portion of our remoulade sauce down on our toasted bread. We're going to add a layer of lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, our fried bluegill, and there you have it. A bluegill po' boy. Let's get a bite. How do you attack this? Man, it's falling apart. Such a big old sandwich. Let's get a bite. I overstuffed it. That's so good. It's a great way to use bluegill other than just frying them whole. The remoulade sauce is sweet, tangy, got a nice little kick to it. This is a great way to use the bluegill, as I said. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to check out all of our other videos. I think I got some on my beard. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.